Hi all, haven't done a classic GM tips video for a long time, so here it goes. I think we roll too often, we ask for rolls too often. We as GMs ask for rolls when we're not sure what to do and we're trying to pad time, not sit in awkward silence. We want to keep the players busy. I'm going to tell you today when to roll, how to roll, and why we roll. Well, the how's easy, it's sort of the sort of motion. How I've seen most sessions play out is something like this. The players use their character sheets and use rolls as sort of beats in the plot. Can I do a search roll to get further? Sure. I want to try and persuade a guard. Can I do a persuade roll? We use rolls to kind of be the separate plot beats that drive us all the way towards our goal, towards a better narrative. And the alternative is to only ask rolls for dangerous moments, pivotal moments, moments with time pressure, moments of great uncertainty. The rest of the time, we should purely act with fiction first and say, oh, the characters want to do this. This makes sense for my character to do. And the GM should go, there isn't adequate danger or time pressure or uncertainty, so they just do it. And that way, when people want to decide what to do, they think, well, what would my character do? Often they're not sure where to go next. And where do people default to when they think, what do I do next? They go, well, what skill can I use? That by definition breaks role playing. That makes characters inconsistent, weakly fleshed out, because you're like, I don't know what to do. Let me start with a skill. We use that as a crutch. I don't think it's not like the rule shouldn't be there, but it's there for resolving this oracle that is the dice. When there's an uncertain moment, that skill on the dice roll is going to pivot us into one or the other direction, and that's exciting. I love dice rolls, but it's used for that resolution. And if it's overused, it's this crutch that takes away from immersion because you're not asking the question, well, what's this person going to do in the moment? You're like, use game mechanic to get past puzzle like it's a PC game. No, ask for rolls only when it's big moments. Try and reduce your dice rolls at the table, everyone. And let me know how that goes. For me, it was a revelation. I'm like, no, don't worry. If your player asks for a search roll, don't worry. There's no pressure this time. Tell me how you search, what you do. And now suddenly like, okay, auto success. Okay, I'm used to just rolling for everything. Okay, well, describe how you do it. Most of the time, that should be the default. We're telling a creative, collaborative story with our friends together. The dice rolls can break that immersion. Use them sparingly. Look, don't use them often, and your sessions are going to be more exciting. There we go. Quick GM tip. Let me know if that's worked for you, if you've found out that you need to roll more. I've not heard it the other way around. Stay tuned for more GM tips and everything TTRPGs. Like, subscribe, stick around. Have a good day to yourselves.